everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Dodge Charger. Beautiful car, guys. I've been trying to buy this car from my buddy Bo for 2 years. Beautiful car. I think it's the 5th car I bought from him over the years. He built this car for himself. Gorgeous car, man. It's a 4-year-old complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. This is a Pro Touring 69 Charger, just bad to the bone. It's got a 528 cubic inch Bill Mitchell block Hemi engine in it, 600 plus horsepower. It's got a gear vendor, overdrive automatic transmission. It's a Hemi with AC, guys, power windows. He built it to drive. Bo's from Connecticut. He drove this car to and from Tennessee. He also drove it to and from Florida. Said the car gets 14 miles a gallon on the expressway, and it's got all the horsepower you could possibly want. Gorgeous car, man. It's finished in a BMW silver metallic. It's got all new legendary red interior. It's actually got leather front seats in it, vinyl in the rear, but just a beautiful car. Got all the documentation for the restoration. Bo is definitely one of those guys that whoever buys the car will give him his contact info. He's a super guy, more than willing to talk to you on the car. Beautiful car. Love this color combo. This silver with this red is just gorgeous. He does beautiful paint work. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Kind of nitpick the tail panel chrome here a little bit. It's got a little age to it. Still looks very good. Car's nice and straight down the sides. He said he did put quarters on the car. That's a 9.5 inch wheel on the front, or on the rear, 8 inch on the front. Car's got 4-wheel disc brakes. This car is just killer, man. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful set of forged Weld wheels. '69 Hemi Charger, guys. This is the big dog right here. Again, this is all, he had it all professional built. Center something, I can't remember. I've got the receipt. The receipt's in there for the engine, but it's a Bill Mitchell block. It's got a Holley 950 carb. It's got a Mopar Performance aluminum intake, aluminum heads, steel crank. It's got a comp cam in it, headers, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got an MSD 6AL box in it with a Pro Billet distributor in it. Again, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and classic air, guys. It's got air that blows cold. How many Hemi cars you see with AC? Aluminum radiator. Again, it's got a 727 gear vendor, overdrive automatic transmission in it. There's your original fender tag. Of course, it's not an original Hemi car, guys. It's all body color underneath. If you look in there in the fenders and the floorboards and everything, they're silver. I love this color combination, man. This car just pops. And I have seriously been trying to buy this car from him for 2 years. He does great work. Like I say, this is the 5th car I've owned from him. Little wear there on the A-pillar chrome. But he just builds great cars, man. Customers have all, matter of fact, we sold a Roadrunner that we got from him just a few weeks ago. We delivered to a guy down in Tennessee, and he just loves it. Matter of fact, he called Bo and told him he turned out an $8,000 profit on the car right there in the streets of Tennessee. Again, power windows. This is all legendary interior. It's got the leather front seats, buckets with the buddy seat. That's a remote for the radio. As you can see, it's got all the seat belts in it. Factory tach and gauges, even the clock in there works. The 64,965 is the original miles on the car. It's Dana 354 sure grip rear end. It's got Bilstein shocks, 3-inch dual exhaust. Again, it's a complete custom sound system in there. Factory jack with the spare. This is all the receipts, the dyno sheets. He's telling you what oil to run in it, what brake fluid to run in it. It is, I can pull this up a little bit. You see it's body color in the trunk. Killer car, man. 69 Charger with a Hemi in it and air. See, the car is just gorgeous underneath. It's all body color. And again, built to drive it. He said it gets 14 miles a gallon on the expressway. He said he figured there's about 5,000 miles on the build. Just a very cool car, man. There's your gear vendor switch for your overdrive. Of course, there's your, it's converted to the classic air, so those are your new switches for the AC. Not real sure what that is. I'll have to ask him that. Again, power windows. Pretty car. Dual mirrors. Same thing on this side. You can see a little wear in the A-pillar. They just kick your AC on. It does blow cold. Works. Fuel gauge work, Jay? It's full gas? Fuel, okay. Oh, that's right. He told me he filled it up. Yep. Temperature gauge works. Oil pressure gauge. Alternator works. Backup lights work. Bad ride right there, boys. Radio works in here.
819 for a chance of $1,000.
Again, your blower motor and stuff works. That's your. You just kick that on when you hit the overdrive.
Yeah, that's auto. It'll come on by itself.
Okay.
Manually do it.
Okay, so you can either manually control it or automatically do it. These work, Jay? Oh, it's got the later model headlights in it too. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Check us out on Facebook. You can also check us out on Instagram. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, that's a bad car right there, man. That car is tough. Have a great day, guys.